It was a warm and pleasant morning. I came up with an interesting idea and decided to shoot a video. But then I noticed that my softbox was tilted. And yes, it turned out to be broken. One of the rods that hold the softbox umbrella broke. I couldn't just leave it like that, so I decided to fix it. Here's the broken part. Now I'm going to figure out a way to fix it. Has something ever broken unexpectedly and you had to fix it yourself? Share it in the comments. I'd love to read your stories. I found some wire, wooden skewers, plastic zip ties, and 2 types of glue at home. So what can I do with all this? The wire is too soft and it probably won't be able to hold the structure. But the wooden skewer is strong, flexible, and resilient. That's what I'm going to use. Now I'll take some glue and fix the broken parts of the softbox. I'm using a strong glue that dries quickly. While the glue is drying, my friend dropped by. Let's go see him and find out how he's doing. Do you have any pets? Share it with me in the comments. While we were walking with the cat, the glue had already dried, so I can continue fixing the softbox. I take the wooden skewer, place it where the broken part was, and measure the exact size I need. I cut the wooden skewer to the right size and put it back in place. Now I'm going to attach the wooden skewer to the broken part of the softbox using plastic zip ties. You need to tighten them really well so the structure stays firmly in place. It's already starting to come together. I'll add as many zip ties as possible to make the construction as strong as I can. I'll cut off the sticking ends of the zip ties so they don't get in the way and everything looks neat and nice. It's turning out pretty well. I'm starting to like it. I also have this hot glue gun, so I'll use it to glue everything securely for extra strength. Hot glue has the qualities of quick bonding, high strength and versatility, as it can be used to glue a wide range of materials: paper, cardboard, wood, fabric, ceramics, and plastic. It is safe, moisture resistant, and has a long shelf life. Its disadvantages include creep under load and resoftening at high temperatures. Well, I managed to fix the softbox. I'm happy and very pleased with the result. Write in the comments what you think about this episode. Do you find such videos interesting? And what other materials, in your opinion, could be used for repairs? The softbox has been sitting for a while. Nothing has come off, which means the repair was successful and now it can be put back in place. What would you do in my place? Fix it, buy a new one, or just leave it as it is?